We're gonna have the Doppler effect now. It's gonna go down the semitone. There it goes. Oh, it's coming up again. Must have been going around the roundabout. Even if a day feels too long and you feel like you can't wait another wall, and you're surely giving up on everything, love is gonna find you again. Love is gonna find you. You better be ready then. Well, you've been kneeling in the dark for far too long. You've been praying for that spark, but it hasn't come. Yeah, but I'm calling to you, please get off the floor. Love is gonna find you again. Love is gonna find you. Just you be ready then. We're tethered to a bird of song, to a voice that's buried in the hollow. You've given over to self-deceiving. You're prostrate, bowed, but not believing. You've squandered more than you could borrow. Bet your joys on all tomorrows for the hope of some returning, while everything around you is burning. Come on, we gotta get out. Get out of this mess we've made. And still, for all the talking, do we ever say it straight? Or will we leave this up to chance, like we do everything? A good heart's gonna find you again. A good heart will find you. Just be ready then. You're tethered to a bird of song, to a voice that's buried in the hollow word. You've given over to self-deceiving. You're prostrate, bowed, but not believing. You've squandered more than you could borrow. Bet your joys on all tomorrows for the hope of some returning, while everything around you's burning. But I'm not leaving you. I'm not leaving you. I'm not leaving you. I'm not leaving. keep on pushing, keep on pushing, keep on pushing, push the sky.